Hello and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making a creamy Reuben soup. I'll be starting the recipe off by heating up a Dutch oven and melting down 2 tablespoons of butter, to which I'll be adding 1 cup of a diced onion and 1 cup of diced carrot. After sauteing for 5 minutes, the onions should look translucent. I'll be adding in 1 tablespoon of garlic and allowing this to saute for 30 seconds. Once the garlic becomes fragrant, I'll be adding in 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. Once the vegetables are coated in the flour, I'll be adding in 4½ cups of chicken broth, 1/2 teaspoon of caraway seeds and 1 bay leaf, 1 pound of diced corned beef, 1 can of well-drained sauerkraut, and 1/2 cup of Thousand Island dressing. Once the soup comes up to a boil, lower the heat down to low and simmer covered for 20 to 25 minutes or until the carrots are tender. Once the carrots are tender, go ahead and turn off the heat and remove the bay leaf and add in 1 cup of heavy cream. Once the heavy cream has been stirred in, it's now ready to be served. To finish off the soup, I've garnished it with a little bit of Swiss cheese and some rye bread croutons that I made earlier today. And now all I have left to do is dive in and try it out. I do want to make sure I get a little bite of everything. See how much like a Reuben sandwiches taste like. Overall, it definitely tastes like a Reuben sandwich, especially when you get a little bite of everything. I think it definitely needs a little bit more caraway seed. I'm not quite picking those up, and I think it could definitely use a little bit more rye flavor, which is what I typically associate caraway seeds with. But overall, it's an absolutely fantastic bowl of soup and something I can see myself making again. But sadly, that is going to be it for me for the day. If you guys have enjoyed this video, leave me a comment down below. If you tried this recipe out, let me know how it turned out for you. And as always, thank y'all so very much for joining me today. I've been Vault Girl. I hope you guys have enjoyed, and I hope I see you in the next one.